Hi, I'm Shelby, lead embryologist at Extend Fertility. Come with me and spend the day in the lab. Today we have 2 retrievals with ICSI, an embryo transfer, 2 fertilization checks, 2 day 2 checks, and 5 patients for potential biopsy for PGT. Starting with the fertilization checks, we are looking for 2 pronuclei as a sign the egg was successfully fertilized, which are those circles right in the middle there. On day 2, we laser a small hole in the zona so that on day 5 we will be able to biopsy the embryo. These embryos are up for biopsy today. They are looking very nice, so we will biopsy them a little later. Up next, we are thawing the embryo for the transfer. After letting it sit in the thawing solution for a couple minutes at 37 degrees Celsius, we rinse it in some culture media and place it back in the incubator until transfer time. It's time for an egg retrieval. After a quick ID of the patient, we can begin. We get tubes of follicular fluid directly from the OR. We search through the fluid and look for the eggs, which are those little black spots in the fluffy cumulus cells. We then strip the eggs, which removes those cells, and then we can sort the eggs based on their maturity. These mature eggs will be injected with sperm this afternoon. It's time to biopsy those embryos from earlier. We use the laser and pull apart the cells of the trophectoderm. This does not harm the embryo. These are the cells that will become the placenta during pregnancy, and they will regenerate. We send the removed cells to the testing company of the patient's choice and wait for the results to see if they are genetically normal. After letting the embryos rest for a little bit, it is time for cryopreservation. After about 12 minutes in the cryo solutions, we load the embryo and a small amount of media onto the straw and place in liquid nitrogen, vitrifying the embryos in a glass-like state. We store the embryos on site in monitored and alarmed tanks until the patient is ready to use them. It's time to transfer the embryo we thawed earlier. The embryologist will load the embryo into a transfer catheter, and we then pass it through a window to the doctor in the OR, who will insert the catheter and place the embryo into the uterus, visualizing with an abdominal ultrasound. After a quick lunch, it is time for ICSI. The fertilization checks we did earlier need to occur 16 to 18 hours after injection, so we don't miss seeing those pronuclei, which is why we wait to do ICSI until the afternoon. After immobilizing the sperm and picking them up with the needle, we inject a single sperm into each egg. Fingers crossed. After shutting the lab down and preparing for the next day, it's time to say goodnight to the embryos. Thanks for coming along!